Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 6. Question 1. What is regression testing? A. Testing new features to ensure they work as intended. B. Testing the entire system after changes to ensure no new defects. C. Testing how the system behaves under high traffic. D. Testing the system's security against vulnerabilities. The correct answer is B. Testing the entire system after changes to ensure no new defects. Regression testing ensures new changes do not introduce new issues into the system. Question 2. What is continuous integration? A. Integrating code into a shared repository regularly. B. Running security tests on the integrated system. C. Continuously improving the user interface design. D. Integrating software components into the final system. The correct answer is A. Integrating code into a shared repository regularly. Continuous integration involves frequently merging code to detect and address issues early. Question 3. What is load testing? A. Testing to ensure the system functions in normal conditions. B. Testing to determine the system's behavior under anticipated load. C. Testing to check the system's response to unexpected load. D. Testing the system's response to security breaches. The correct answer is B. Testing to determine the system's behavior under anticipated load. Load testing assesses the system's performance under expected levels of usage. Question 4. What is security testing? A. Testing the system for functionality and features. B. Testing the system to ensure its protection from security threats. C. Testing the system's performance under heavy load. D. Testing the system's accessibility features. The correct answer is B. Testing the system to ensure its protection from security threats. Security testing verifies that a system is protected against vulnerabilities and threats. Question 5. What is usability testing? A. Testing the system's ability to handle traffic spikes. B. Testing how easy and intuitive the system is for users. C. Testing how quickly the system can perform tasks. D. Testing how secure the system is from attacks. The correct answer is B. Testing how easy and intuitive the system is for users. Usability testing evaluates the user experience and how intuitive the system is to interact with. Question 6. What is test case design? A. The process of creating automated tests. B. Writing test cases to evaluate the functionality of a system. C. Writing test scripts for manual testing. D. Designing the user interface for test purposes. The correct answer is B. Writing test cases to evaluate the functionality of a system. Test case design involves creating test cases that thoroughly cover system functionality. Question 7. What is test environment? A. The location where tests are documented and tracked. B. The virtual or physical environment where tests are executed. C. The software used for automating test cases. D. The test strategy used for system evaluation. The correct answer is B. The virtual or physical environment where tests are executed. The test environment is set up to mimic real-world conditions for accurate testing. Question 8. What is stability testing? A. Testing the system's ability to perform under load. B. Testing to check if the system is free from defects over time. C. Testing system recovery after a failure. D. Testing how the system responds to extreme conditions. The correct answer is B. Testing to check if the system is free from defects over time. Stability testing ensures that the system works correctly under normal and extended use. Question 9. What is alpha testing? A. Testing performed by the development team before releasing the software. B. Testing performed by external users in a controlled environment. C. Testing performed by the end users in real-world conditions. D. Testing the software in a production environment. The correct answer is A. Testing performed by the development team before releasing the software. Alpha testing is done internally by the development team before releasing the software to users. Question 10. What is beta testing? A. Testing performed internally by the QA team. B. Testing performed by a select group of users outside the organization. C. Testing to ensure the system's security is intact. D. Testing to evaluate system performance in production. The correct answer is B. Testing performed by a select group of users outside the organization. Beta testing is done by external users to identify issues before a public release. Question 11. What does test reporting involve? A. Tracking and resolving defects identified during testing. B. Reporting the results of test cases, defects, and issues found. C. Writing test scripts for new features. D. Identifying potential areas for automation in testing. The correct answer is B. Reporting the results of test cases, defects, and issues found. Test reporting involves documenting the outcome of testing and any issues discovered. Question 12. What is test scheduling? A. Planning the allocation of resources for tests. B. Defining which tests will be run at what times. C. Running tests in the system to check results. D. Writing test scripts for future tests. The correct answer is B. Defining which tests will be run at what times. Test scheduling involves organizing the timeline for when various tests will be conducted. Question 13. What is pair testing? A. Two testers working together on the same test case. B. One tester testing two modules simultaneously. C. A tester and a developer working together to test features. D. Testing done by two different teams in parallel. The correct answer is A. Two testers working together on the same test case. Pair testing involves collaboration between testers, sharing insights and approaches during testing. Question 14. What is test priority? A. Determining which tests should be executed first based on risk. B. Selecting tests based on their complexity and difficulty. C. Focusing on tests for the most important features only. D. Choosing tests based on available testing resources. The correct answer is A. Determining which tests should be executed first based on risk. Test priority ensures the most critical tests are executed first to identify major issues. Question 15. What is test execution phase? A. Writing the test cases for new features. B. Running tests and recording results. C. Planning and scheduling test cases. D. Managing the defect lifecycle during testing. The correct answer is B. Running tests and recording results. Test execution involves carrying out the planned tests and documenting the results. Question 16. What is test coverage? A. The amount of testing done across different features. B. The percentage of the system tested by automated tests. C. The number of bugs found during testing. D. The number of tests executed versus planned tests. The correct answer is A. The amount of testing done across different features. Test coverage indicates how much of the system is tested and validated. Question 17. What is test execution environment? A. The hardware and software setup required to run tests. B. The process of executing tests on a remote system. C. A simulation environment used for exploratory testing. D. The stage in which tests are documented and tracked. The correct answer is A. The hardware and software setup required to run tests. Test execution environment is where tests are conducted, configured with necessary resources. Question 18. What is test process improvement? A. Identifying areas to reduce testing time and cost. B. Improving the accuracy of test case execution. C. Optimizing the testing workflow and effectiveness. D. Standardizing the methods used for test case writing. The correct answer is C. Optimizing the testing workflow and effectiveness. Test process improvement focuses on enhancing the efficiency and quality of testing. Question 19. What is test automation framework? A. A set of guidelines for writing automated tests. B. A tool used for automating system performance tests. C. A set of libraries used for automated testing. D. A software that automates defect reporting. The correct answer is A. A set of guidelines for writing automated tests. A test automation framework defines the structure and approach to automation. Question 20. What is continuous testing? A. Testing done at every stage of the software development lifecycle. B. Testing only after all features are developed. C. Testing the software after it is deployed to production. D. Automated testing that runs continuously without human intervention. The correct answer is A. Testing done at every stage of the software development lifecycle. Continuous testing ensures that quality is maintained throughout the development process.